Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Deel for contractor payments in the United States step by step clearly. To activate Deel for contractor payments in the United States, start by visiting the Deel website and click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Once you've filled in your details, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. After verification, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the Payments section from your dashboard. Select Set up Payments to begin the process for contractor payments. Fill in the required information, including your company details and banking information. Ensure that your banking details are accurate to avoid payment issues. Next, choose the currency for your payments. Follow the prompts to enter your contractor's information such as name, email, and payment amount. Upload any necessary documentation to comply with payment regulations. Review all entered information for accuracy before proceeding. Click the Submit button to finalize the setup. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your payment setup. Once the setup is complete, you can start sending payments to your contractors through the Deel platform. Monitor your payment status under the Payments History section on your dashboard. For any questions or issues, visit the Deel Help Center or contact their support team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.